I am going to review the best handsaw in the market for this year. In this video, our focus will be on finding the best of the best products from a list of the best products available. We have picked these products as the most spectacular. We are certain you won't be disappointed after watching this video. As a result of the hard work and time invested in the selection of these products, we can assure you of a stress-free process whenever you decide to make a purchase of your desired product. In selecting these products, there are various factors which we should take into consideration. These include reviews from other customers like you on various sites, performance, and specifications of each product. We have gone an extra mile to ensure you don't get confused when making your purchase. To get other information on each product, the video description includes embedded links which you can open. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video. At number 1, Ryoba 9 1/2 inch double edge razor saw. This handsaw requires less efforts than that of an old-fashioned Western saw. It comes in high quality and performs all your tasks satisfactorily. Being a modern version of the old-fashioned saw, it comes in two different sides, with each side performing its own distinct function. One side does the ripping, while the other side gets cross-cutting done. This is good news because you no longer have to buy different saws when there is one that carries out two functions. All you need is this saw for all your wood-cutting tasks. It also requires less efforts, but with accurate results. At number 2, Silky Pocket Boy 170. If you are in need of a high-quality saw made of Japanese steel and with the lowest amount of impurities, the Silky saw is your go-to. No other saw in the market matches the quality of this saw. With an extraordinary cutting capacity and a rust resistance, it has a hard chrome plate including a taper ground blade. This saw possesses two locking positions, one for inline cutting while the other is for flush cutting. Its handle, which is made of rubber, offers you a firm grip for convenience in any given project. Its light weight makes it suitable for your pocket, backpack, and toolbox. At number 3, Stanley 20 526 15-inch handsaw. This saw has a whole lot to offer. With 3 different surfaces, work has never been easier. Cutting can now be done 50% faster than with other handsaws. With its hardened teeth, it can stay sharper for 5 times longer than that of others. It comes in an ergonomic handle that offers you a better grip while working. Its blade comes with a reusable guard, and as a result is protected from easy damage.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.